Welcome to your premier historical reference, Journey Around the Planet. This article delves into the history and significance of Nablus, a city in the northern West Bank, along with its predecessor, the Roman city of Flavia Neapolis. Nablus, a Palestinian city situated approximately 49 kilometers, 30 miles north of Jerusalem, boasts a population of 156,906. Nestled between Mount Ebal and Mount Gerizim, it serves as the capital of the Nablus Governorate and stands as a bustling commercial and cultural hub within the state of Palestine. Noteworthy landmarks include An-Najah National University, one of the largest institutions of higher education in Palestine, and the Palestine Stock Exchange. Administratively, Nablus falls under the jurisdiction of the Palestinian National Authority, PNA. The city's modern name can be traced back to its Roman roots, specifically to the designation of Flavia Neapolis by Roman Emperor Vespasian in 72 CE. Throughout history, Nablus witnessed periods of conflict, such as the strife between its Samaritan and Christian inhabitants during the Byzantine era, culminating in the Samaritan revolts quelled by the Byzantines by 573 CE, leading to a decline in the Samaritan populace. Following the Muslim conquest of the Levant in the 7th century, the city adopted its current Arabic moniker, Nablus. The aftermath of the First Crusade saw Nablus host the Council of Nablus, where the laws of the Kingdom of Jerusalem were formulated, fostering prosperity among its Christian, Samaritan, and Muslim denizens under Crusader rule. Subsequently, the city fell under the dominion of the Ayyubids, and later the Mamluk Sultanate. During the Ottoman era, commencing with the city's conquest in 1517, Nablus emerged as a vital administrative and commercial center for the encompassing region, corresponding to the modern-day northern West Bank. Following its capture by British forces in World War I, Nablus became part of Mandatory Palestine in 1922. However, the 1948 Arab-Israeli War led to the occupation and annexation of the entire West Bank, including Nablus, by Transjordan. Since the 1967 Arab-Israeli War, Israel has maintained control over the West Bank, with Nablus falling under Palestinian Authority governance since 1995 as part of Area A. Presently, the city's population is predominantly Muslim, with minor Christian and Samaritan communities. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to receive all the latest updates.